I have tried here to make you understand step by step. Then first of all, this one, this is modulus inequality form, this is inequality form. If we get this one, we shall write in the next step this one. If we get this one, then we shall write this one. Therefore, keeping in mind the properties discussed earlier about the inequalities, we can solve easily the given inequation in one variable. If x greater than minus a and x less than a, this is represented by minus a less than x less than a, and this is represented by modulus x less than a. Now, how we get this one? Let me illustrate that. If x be positive, then if I call this 1 implies what? Modulus x is positive, therefore x less than a. If x less than b, then modulus x is minus x. Already I discussed this matter, absolute value or modulus of a number. If x be a number and if it is positive, then mod x equal to x, and mod x will be minus x if x is negative. I add here, then mod x equal to x. Therefore, 1 implies minus x less than a. Now, if I multiply both sides by minus 1, therefore x greater than minus a. I have used the properties of inequalities. Therefore, we get x greater than x less than a and x less than minus a. Therefore, this one implies this one, and on the other hand, the right hand implies left hand. I repeat, minus a less than x less than a next one, just I have added equality matter. This is represented by modulus amplitude, modulus inequality symbol, this one, and conversely this implies this one. Then modulus of x minus a less than delta. Now let me deduce the inequality form. If x minus a negative, then modulus of x minus a is equal to minus of x minus a. Therefore, 1 implies minus of x minus a less than delta. Now, I multiply both sides by minus 1, then it will be x minus a greater than minus delta. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, then inequality relation will be reversed. From that, I can write x greater than a minus delta. If x minus a positive, then modulus of x minus a is equal to x minus a. Therefore, 1 implies x minus a less than delta. Therefore, x less than a plus delta. Now, if we combine these two, if I call 2, this 3, combining 2 and 3, a minus delta less than x less than a plus delta. Thus, this is the inequality form or inequation. Therefore, this is the inequality modulus form, and its inequality form will be a minus delta less than x less than a plus delta. Now, if we consider less than equal to number 4, modulus of x minus a less than equal to delta. This is modulus inequality form. Inequality form will be a minus delta less than equal to x less than equal to a plus delta. Students, you try to understand. I have tried here to make you understand step by step. Then, first of all, this one. This is modulus inequality form. This is inequality form. If we get this one, we shall write in the next step this one. If we get this one, then we shall write this one in the next step, and conversely. Now, we are in the stage to solve inequalities in one variable. Before mentioning that, I mention the inequalities or inequations involving two variables. Two x plus 3y less than equal to say 6. 3x minus 4y greater than equal to 10. 5x plus 4y greater than 15. 3x minus 2y less than 2y less than 7. These are the inequations involving two variables. General one, ax plus by greater than c, ax minus by less than c, like this. These are inequations involving two variables. Now we are in the stage to solve inequations in one variable. Now we are in the stage to solve inequations in one variable. Before solving, let me discuss the steps to be followed. Already you have solved equations in one variable and you applied their various techniques. Number one, transposition, then cross multiplying. What is transposition? We take a number from left to right or right to left. That is actually done by adding a certain number to both sides of the equation or subtracting a constant from both sides. This is also applicable in case of inequations. That is called transposition. Then I take example 3x 5 say greater than 10. On the left hand side there is variable as well as constant. Now to get the value of x we have to transfer the constant on the right side. How we do? Here plus 5 is there. If we subtract 5 from both sides, what we get? We can think that 5 is taken on the right side. This process is called transposition or transferring. Then number 2. Say the equation is like this: x by 3 greater than 5 by 9. Now from this step, the later step will be x greater than 5 by 3. I now clarify here. Now 3 is at the denominator. To remove that, what to do? We have to multiply both sides by 3 or x by 3 into 3 than 5 by 9 into 3. As the properties discussed earlier, if we multiply both sides of an inequation by a positive constant, then the inequation sign remain unaltered. In this step also, we have divided by 3, that is positive number, that is as per that property. Therefore, cross multiplication in this case nine x greater than 50 valid. Nine x x by 3. Oh, sorry. Actually, I have multiplied by 9 or 3x greater than 5. Here, to remove this 3, I have multiplied both sides by 3. That means the next step will be x greater than 5 by 3. Now to get x, next step will be dividing both sides by 3. Therefore, keeping in mind the properties discussed earlier about the inequalities, we can solve easily the given inequation in one variable. Few are same at those were in the case of equations. Only you have to keep in your mind while you are adding or subtracting or multiplying by positive constant, the inequation relation will be unaltered. And if we multiply both sides of the inequation by negative number, then in that case inequality symbol will be reversed. Now I am going to solve some inequations. Number 1, 3 into within brackets x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 into within brackets x minus 3. First of all, we just multiply on the left side as well as on the right side. 3x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6. Now we have to solve, that means we have to find the values of x, and we always take the variable part on the left side. That is why transposition, I take 2x on the left side, 3x minus 2x is less than or equal to, minus 3 is transferred to right, therefore 3 minus 6, or x is less than or equal to minus 3. This is the solution. Now this is expressed on the number line. Add 1, 2, 3. Sorry, minus 3. Minus 3. I have marked wrongly. -1, -2, -3. This is x equal to -3 point. Now value of x is less than or equal to -3, that is represented by this ray will touch this segment which indicates x equal to -3. Therefore, x less than equal to -3 is represented by this number. Representation on the number line. Now, this sum, or first of all, we note 5, 3, both are positive number. Therefore, we execute that cross multiplication as we have done in case of equations. Then 9 into x minus 2, that is less than equal to 5 into this one, 25 to minus x, or 9x minus 18 less than equal to 15 minus 25x. Then variable parts are to be taken on the left side, or 9x plus 25x is less than equal to 15 plus 18. I have used here transposition, or 34x less than equal to 68. Now, to get the value of x, we have to divide both sides by 34. You follow? 68 by 34. Value of that is equal to 2. Don't think that x is equal to 2. This one is different. 34 at the denominator means we are dividing 68 by 34. The value is 2. Don't confuse. X less than equal to 68 by 34 means x less than equal to 2. Now we have to represent that on the number line. This is origin. We scale x is greater than equal to 2 is represented with the help of number line. This is the diagram. This is the solution. Now, number 3, problem number 3. Within brackets 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 into within brackets 6 minus 2. Or the first part is same as that in case of equation 4x plus 6 minus 10 less than 6x minus 12. Then we take variable part on the left side, 4x minus 6x less than 6 minus 10 means minus 4, that is transferred to the right, therefore 4 minus 12 or minus 2x less than minus 8. We get minus 2x less than minus 8. To make positive, what to do? We have to multiply by minus 1 and here the inequality is less than, therefore if we multiply both sides by minus 1 to make minus 2x positive, then this inequality symbol will be reversed. Keeping in that in mind, therefore 2x greater than 8. This is to be noted carefully. We see students make error in this step. Therefore, we divide that or divide both sides by 2. Therefore, x greater than 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. Therefore, x greater than 4. Now, if we represent that on number line, this point represents x is equal to 4. Here x greater than 4. Therefore, x greater than 4 is represented by this diagram using number line. Next, number 4 sum. 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than equal to 3x minus 2 by 4 minus 2 minus x by 5. First I simplify the right hand side, or 2x minus 1 by 3 is greater than equal to addition subtraction. As in case of fractions, the LCM is 20. 5 3x minus 2 minus 4 within brackets 2 minus x. Now I cross multiply 20 into 2x minus 1 greater than equal to 3. Now I remove the first brackets, 15x minus 10 minus 8 plus 4x. Let me check. 15x minus 10 minus 8 plus 4x, or 40x minus 20 is greater than equal to 3 into 19x minus 18, or 40x greater than equal to, I take minus 20 on the right, 57x minus 54 plus 20, or 40x, this is variable part to be taken on the left hand side, minus 17x greater than equal to minus 34. Now we have to get the positive value, that is why you have to multiply by minus 1 so that this inequality symbol will be reversed, or 17x less than equal to 34. This step is to be noted carefully. Now we divide both sides by 17. Therefore, this is the required solution. Now, if we represent that using number line, draw the line, then take a suitable point lying within that line as origin, then scale, and this represents x less than equal to 2. In the next class, I shall discuss few various types of problems related to